How do you know your app is slow before users complain? By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how developers measure performance and why it matters. Welcome to What is Performance Testing, an autism-friendly coding tutorial, calm pace, no jargon. We'll break this into 3 simple parts. Let's start with what performance actually means. When we talk about performance, we're not just talking about speed. It's about how fast your app responds when someone interacts with it. It's about how smooth it feels, whether things update instantly or feel delayed. And it's about how quickly content appears on the screen. Even small delays can make an app feel frustrating. So performance is really about the experience, not just raw speed. Performance testing is how we measure all of that. We look at how the app behaves in real situations. That includes simulating real-life events like slow internet or lots of people using the app at once. And we use that information to find slow or inefficient areas. These are called bottlenecks. The goal is simple: figure out where things slow down so we can fix them. If your app is slow, people leave, sometimes within just a few seconds. Performance also affects search rankings. Faster apps tend to rank higher. But more importantly, performance affects how your app feels to use. A fast app feels reliable. A slow app feels broken, even if it technically works. So let's quickly recap. Performance is about speed and responsiveness. Testing is how we measure real behavior. And the goal is a better user experience. Now let's make this practical. In the next video, we're going to measure performance inside a real Next.js app. You'll see exactly what to look at, and what those numbers actually mean. If this kind of direct autism-friendly tutorial is helpful, subscribing is a great way to find your way back here. And if you want to support what I'm building, you can check out my shop on Patreon. Thank you for watching, and let's keep learning and growing together.